What's up, guys? Well, I have decided to get a vertical mount for my case here because I'm going to be getting a new GPU here in a few days. This one is going to be transferred into the TV computer. But in the meantime, I figured since this came first, I might as well, use it on that just to see if it even fits in there. I've had enough kind of disappointment with radiators and whatnot not fitting and getting all excited and then not having it work properly, so I figured this time I will try this before any of the other stuff comes. But anyway, I've already got it built here. Took like 2-3 minutes to put together. Didn't even use the instructions. I mean, pretty self-explanatory, but I'll go over it real quick. You just gotta put 3 screws in down there. 2 screws there, 1 on each side, and then there's 2 more screws to put in there, and then you're supposed to just use the screws that come with your case, or screws you have lying around, to actually put it in the case. So, let's get this video card out so we can get this in. Well, we got it all installed. It's a little dark in there, but there it is. I decided to just hold it in with 2 thumb screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, but good enough. But let's see if it starts. Should still start. Or wait, there's one thing I almost forgot. We gotta plug this in. Which I will plug in off camera apparently, because it's not as easy as it looks with the video card already in. You're probably supposed to plug that in before you screw it in. Okay, now that we got that plugged in, I would have turned this on and it would have had no video, and I would have been like, oh no, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, that decided to kill a lot of LEDs in it. I might end up actually sending that back to EK. That's pretty unacceptable. But, Alright. Let's just see. Oh, let's just see if it, oh. Yeah. Alright, a bunch of random stuff starting up here. Alright. I think it's towards the bottom here. Here we go. Alright, good. It's not overheating or anything. I just want to make sure I didn't pinch the tubes too tight. I've kind of got them a little bit turned, but nothing's getting hurt there. Because I attached them over there, because otherwise the tubes would be hitting the window, and who really wants that? And there we go. I'll have to do something with those eventually, but that's kind of how I take care of it for now. Sometimes it slides back out, sometimes it doesn't. I should just put another zip tie up there, zip tie it to the radiator or something. But anyway, there it is. Yep, definitely looks pretty cool. And there should definitely be enough room for the other video card I'm getting, because it's a triple slot design. And I've already got a dual slot bracket for it. So as soon as the new GPU gets here, I will make a new video this was just kind of a quick little video on the Cablemod vertical GPU mount. But anyway, till the next video, peace out, guys.